how to create a download button on Google Sites. If you want to create a download button on Google Sites, if you're on sites.google.com and you want to create a download button or add them right in this case or anywhere, right? You on the right hand side, you want to go to insert and then just go to this option called button. In the button section, just type in whatever you want the button to say. I want the button to say download here, right? And then once I've said that, I want it to redirect to a certain link. So it could be a page or a link, or it could be an external link. So it could be a file from your Google Drive as well. So you can just link the file inside your Google Drive, right? And then just share the link for that particular file. And once you've done that, just paste the file link here. When people will be able to click on that particular link, they'll be able to also get redirected to the page that you've added, which could be an external site to download the link. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.